Designing a logo seems like it should be simple. All you have to do is make your brand name look really nice, right? Wrong, of course. There are actually 7 different types of logos, and each one will give your brand a distinctive feel. So let's take a look. Monogram logos and lettermarks are logos that consist of letters, usually a brand's initials. This type of logo is all about simplicity and works really well if your business has a long or complicated name, like National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Bit of a mouthful, right? NASA. See how much easier that is to say and remember? Astronauts. What can't they do? A wordmark or logotype is a font-based logo that's great for brands with short, distinct names, like Vista or Google. They kind of sound like gibberish, don't they? But they're catchy gibberish. Combining a memorable name with strong typography helps your brand stand out. But that means the typography you use needs to capture the essence of your business. So your word processor's default is probably not going to cut it. Boring! Now, how much nicer does it look when we add great typography to the mix? Stunning. A pictorial mark, sometimes called a brand mark or logo symbol, is a standalone icon or graphic and works best for companies with strong brand recognition. These brands have been around for a while and they're just so recognizable you probably know who they are without any words. If you're just getting started, it's a good idea to use pictorial marks in addition to other logo elements, at least until people know you a little bit better. An abstract mark is a specific type of pictorial logo, but instead of being a recognizable image, like an apple or a bird, it's an abstract geometric form that represents your business. What's fun about abstract marks is you don't have to be so literal about what your business does. You can convey it symbolically through color and form. See how this very famous set of rings implies unity, interconnection, people of all backgrounds coming together to share their love of sport and community? Well, sorry, got a bit carried away there, but see what a good logo can do? Want to add a little personality to your logo design? Mascot logos use an illustrated character to represent your business. Think of them as the ambassador for your brand. Mascots are great for companies that want to give off a warm and wholesome impression, or appeal to families and kids. Like this. Adorable, right? For more cute and cuddly creations, check out our previous video on mascot logos. A combination mark is just what it sounds like. A logo that combines text and imagery. It's kind of like covering all your bases, with text and imagery working together to hit home your brand's message. Sorry, I'm British. Not sure if I got that metaphor right. Once your amazing brand starts to take over the world, you may be able to rely exclusively on a logo symbol and not always have to include your name. An emblem logo is when you put typography inside a symbol or an icon. Think badges, seals, and crests. They tend to look very traditional, but they can be classic too. Or how about retro? Now you know the 7 types of logo designs, you can find one that works best for you and your business. Until next time, logo lovers.